Want to know how to debug a code or find errors in code without running it? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and it should look something like this right here. So make sure you have it installed on your PC. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, here I have this small simple code right here of C#. So there is an error in this one. So what I can do is I can just simply edit this code and point out the error and then just simply correct it. So you can just simply select Ctrl K on your keyboard and you can just simply edit the selected code by typing correct in the errors, and once that is done, it should generate a code and it should correct any numbers. So as you can see right here, the error has been found and you can just simply select keep and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.